Think for a moment about how the experience of breathing fresh air cleans your mind, calms your mood, and revitalizes your body. Now imagine that feeling every minute in your home. The temperature is comfortable, and that freshness is always there. This is what the Zehnder Fresh Air Machine offers. An air management system with a powerful effect on indoor air quality.
Today, houses get built tighter and tighter, and we've lost the ability to get fresh air into our house.
What's happening is we're reaching an epicenter within the building environment where people need to move toward better indoor air quality. Many people really have a heightened sense of wanting better indoor air quality, but the main thing is they really don't understand how to implement it into their home, their existing home or a new home.
A lot of us aren't going to drink water straight from the tap. We're going to filter that water. Why not filter your air?
The Zehnder Fresh Air Machine is the best way to convert a well-sealed and insulated home into a healthy home.
So you might ask, how does it work? Well, basically what happens is fresh air is drawn in from the outside, it's filtered and conditioned, and it replaces stale, damp, toxin-filled air that's removed from kitchens, bathrooms, and other wet rooms.
So it's this continuous ebb and flow of fresh air that's happening through an advanced filtration process. This is all creating the superior indoor air quality that we desire as a consumer.
Temperature balanced and filtered air passes through a silencer, so the occupants never hear it, whether working, relaxing, or sleeping.
It's common knowledge that warm air rises, cold air sinks. One thing that isn't common knowledge is, like temperatures, they diffuse. They mix easily. With the air coming back into the home at 2 to 3 degrees less than the existing temperature, the air diffuses extremely efficiently, and this will cut down on any of your drafty areas, say for example near windows, near doors.
Cold air from outside comes in, warm air from inside goes out, and as it bypasses this exchange element, it actually captures 90% of that energy that you've already spent to condition. The cool thing is it works both ways, either hot air coming in or cold air coming in.
Our HRVs run on 30 to 40 watts continuous. It's about the equivalent of having a 40-watt light bulb on in your home. It's very low energy consumption. Not only is the HRV recovering 90 to 95% of your existing heating and cooling costs and energy, we're also cutting down on the workload of your heating and cooling equipment, sometimes up to 50%.
So that's how it works. But most importantly, the results. No hot and cold spots in your house. No funky odors. We're removing moisture, the things that create toxins and mold. Nobody wants mold in their house.
And it is pretty fascinating to experience the feeling of fresh air in the comfort of your home.
Some have likened it to the feeling you get when you step outside and breathe the clear air after a big rain. But you're inside.
So it's important to realize that as this stale air actually goes outside and it bypasses through this heat exchange element, the airs don't actually mix.
For optimal performance, the filters should be changed twice a year, which takes seconds.
So some people may tell you that bathroom fans, kitchen fans are adequate ventilation. Let me tell you they're not. They don't compare to the Zehnder system at all. Basically what happens with a bath and a kitchen fan is it brings that air from areas that you don't want the air from. Cracks, crevices, crawl space, all these areas that mold and toxins build up. You don't want to breathe that.
Something I feel I can't emphasize enough are the health benefits of a continuous balanced ventilation system like the Zehnder HRV. With this moisture mitigation, we're really reducing the possibility for any type of mold, mildew, or anything else that would contribute greatly to an unhealthy breathing environment.
Air purifiers, things of that nature have taken off with consumers, but the Zehnder HRV system is a much more advanced system that you can have and you can implement into your home as an upgrade that means much more than granite countertops or a new sofa can ever do for you.
You talk to anybody that has installed one and they'll tell you the same thing. They love it. It's the best thing that they've ever done for themselves and for their family. It's an investment in your health and your future.
The Zehnder Fresh Air Machine can dramatically alter the living experience inside your home. And this is an opportunity for you to make that difference.